I don't know how well you guys can see that, but that is crazy. Won't even focus. What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be working on an iPhone XR. The issues that this client is having is major camera shake. But that is crazy. Won't even focus. Just want to try to attempt to clean it and make sure that there's nothing actually affecting the physical camera itself from trying to stabilizing. And then the other is going to be a camera replacement. Luckily, we do have a donor device here that we can use. To make this video a little bit easier to watch, we went ahead and made a separate video on how we took this device apart and resealed it. If you guys want to watch that, I'll go ahead and put that link in the description box below, or I might be able to attach it somewhere in this video. Okay, we should be able to pop off this camera now. We're going to physically inspect it. It does sound loose, which is not a great sign. Yeah, I would go ahead and say that that camera is no good. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I'm shaking this one and there's no noise at all. But if I shake this one, very loose. So something internally has to have been broken. We're not going to spend the time on this video on repairing it, but maybe in a future video, we're going to go ahead and see if we can take this shield off and go ahead and try to repair it. If you guys want to see one of those videos, please leave a like, comment. Let me know in the comments below that you guys want to check that out. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. So we do have our donor board camera. It is a little dirty, so we're going to clean it with a special type of a Q-tip that they use in clean rooms. If you guys want to get some of these, I'll go ahead and leave that in the description box below. Okay, because there are supposed to be clean room Q-tips, I'm going to make sure that the hole as small as possible. And I'm not even going to get it until I get my actual lens cleaner. So give me 1 second. I'm going to get my lens cleaner. Okay, I got this cool little kit a little while ago for my cameras. It's got all kinds of nice little cleaners. It's got a little, little blower. Got a bunch of cloths. This is what I'm looking for here. It's going to be a special lens cleaner. Made directly and especially for lenses so you don't damage them. Probably wouldn't be using isopropyl alcohol because too aggressive. Now, I'm not going to spray it directly on there because you don't want this chemical getting everywhere. Get this, set this off to the side. I'm going to go ahead and spray it. Probably sprayed a little bit more than what I need, but it's not that big of a deal. And very carefully go ahead and clean off that lens. Hopefully you guys can see that. So we're going to go ahead and install it. Being very careful. Should go in there really smoothly. Just like so. Go ahead and clip in that flex cable. We'll put this top shield on with that specialized bit that I showed you guys. And if you guys ever want to find any of the equipment that I use, feel free to check out the description box below. I'll always link the stuff that I use on there. Just to make sure that no dirt or anything gets stuck inside the bag. A little bit of tape on there. Remember, they're supposed to be clean room Q-tips. Gotta be super, super clean. We'll go ahead and attach this top screw. Now, before putting everything back together, I want to make sure that camera is working. Last but not least, the battery. We'll go ahead and plug that in. You never want to force that connector, guys. It usually just falls in place and then you'll feel a light crunch. If you have to press too hard, you're probably doing something wrong. Never forcefully insert these. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and turn it back on. Okay, nice, beautiful Apple logo there. Let that go ahead and turn on. There we go. Look at that. Fantastic. Go ahead and shake it up to make sure. And that's how you go from this to this. Hopefully you guys were able to learn something. I really appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys have a repair like this or something like it, or any questions at all, please feel free to leave it in the comments or reach out to us directly. We're more than happy to help. We take a lot of passion in what we do. And we put customer service first. We want to make sure that you're happy. So now that we're done here, we're going to go ahead and put these plates back together. Not sure if you guys want to watch that. If you guys want to watch that, I'll go ahead and put that link in the description box below, or I might be able to attach it somewhere in this video. That's it. Check that out. Looking pretty spiffy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this type of content or want to learn about more repairs, or if you guys have a repair your own, we'll have some more information in the description box below where you guys can mail in. We do offer 1-year warranty on most repairs. So like this camera here is going to get a 1-year warranty on it. And this is an original OEM camera that was pulled from a donor board. So we do try to use OEM whenever possible. And if we don't have OEM in stock or available, we will let you know beforehand. We're not going to go ahead and just give you a third party without letting you know. If you do want to pay OEM, keep in mind it's going to be a little bit more costly than a third party, but completely up to you. In most cases, third party from reputable sources work just fine as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate it. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like, comment, and share this with somebody who has similar issues. Or maybe you can go ahead and attempt this repair on your own. Thank you guys again, and catch you in the next video. Peace.